In this tutorial video, I will be telling you about step 7, which is to turn your list on or off. When turned on, this step will allow you to monitor various tasks over here, as well as update your store according to price changes, inventory, if a supplier runs out of stock, etc. Every change will be kept in sync with your store. If my list is on, then everything that is changed is automatically synced. You do not need to click any button. Everything is automated as long as your list is on, because it syncs to your store. If turned off, you will not be able to monitor the tasks, and no changes will be synced anymore. You can turn your list on or off from here, or up here. Let's say I want to turn my list off. This means that my store will no longer be synced. Now, I will not be able to monitor these tasks anymore, because they will not be updated accordingly. You can turn the list back on. There are various tasks you can monitor here. These are the current items on your list. These are items that have been sent from my wholesale to-be list to my Amazon store, but waiting for confirmation. The confirmation process will take an average of 12 hours. These are items that are currently displayed on your store and waiting to be sold. These are new items on your list being loaded to your store. These are items that have pending updates. These are items that are in the process of being deleted. That's all you need to know for step 7. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.